Hello all, welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see about NOT gate operations and its truth table. Last video we had seen AND gate, OR gate and its operation and its truth table. Today we are going to see about NOT gate operations. Okay. Welcome to Chip Talks, Madan. Today we are going to see NOT gate operation. NOT gate operation and its truth table. First of all, NOT gate is an inverter operation. Inverter operation, like if a bulb is connected to a switch, okay. If it on the switch means it will be in off state. Okay, if it is in off state means it will the bulb will be in on state, like a reverse operation. Okay, NOT gate. Okay, first of all, NOT gate is an inverter operation. Inverter in the sense like opposite reactions. Okay, opposite condition. On means off, on means off means off. Sorry, off means on. NOT gate is in inverter operation. So off means on state. Okay, whereas on means off state. Off state. This is the operation of NOT gate. Okay, so I will show that NOT gate diagram and its truth table. I think my screen is visible. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is the NOT gate diagram. Okay, actually, see, if you are giving only, okay, NOT gate has only, you are giving only one input. Okay, one input means, okay, if it is like we can tell the switch is on means the output will has off state. If switch is off state means output will have on state. Like this, NOT gate will work. Okay, works. So I will draw some diagram. Okay, this is a input A, and we will get the output Q. Okay, for example, the first input is off state, but the output will have a one. Okay, like this, input is one means we will get the output zero. So NOT gate operation is nothing but an inverter operation. Okay, when it is off state, the output will have on state. When it is in on state, output will have off state. This works as a NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate also called as inverter gate. Okay, we can write NOT gate also called as inverter gate. Okay, NOT gate are used in most of the circuits. Okay, in digital circuits. Okay, because of it is in inverter gate. Okay, for example, we are using many digital circuits. Okay, in digital NOT gate plays an important role compared to AND and OR. So, if you have any doubt in this NOT gate, comment in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye from Andan. Thank you.